If you've ever tried grilling at a campsite or beach only to end up fighting weak heat, uneven cooking, or a grill that's way too bulky to carry around, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. A lot of portable charcoal grills promise convenience, but very few actually make outdoor cooking easier. That's where the BBQCuker Portable Charcoal Grill stands out. It's compact, easy to carry, and surprisingly versatile for something this size. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. Now, what makes this grill interesting is that it's clearly designed for people who actually spend time outdoors. Whether you're camping, tailgating, hiking, road tripping, or just grilling on a small balcony, the goal here is simple. Give you the flavor of real charcoal cooking without dragging around a giant heavy smoker. And honestly, after looking at what this thing offers for the price, it does a pretty solid job of balancing portability with real cooking performance. Right away, the build quality feels better than most budget portable grills. It uses stainless steel construction, which not only looks cleaner and more modern, but also handles heat and outdoor conditions much better than painted metal grills that start rusting after one season. The body feels sturdy, the handles are secure, and the overall design feels intentionally compact instead of cheap and cramped. It's small enough to fit in the trunk of a car without taking over all your storage space, but still large enough to cook for a small group comfortably. One thing I actually like is the built-in thermometer on the lid. A lot of smaller charcoal grills skip this completely, so you're basically guessing temperatures the entire time. Here, you can actually monitor the heat without constantly opening the lid and losing temperature. That becomes especially useful if you're smoking meat slowly or trying to avoid overcooking burgers and chicken. The warming rack is another underrated feature because it gives you extra space to keep food warm while finishing another batch. Small detail, but super useful in real life. Performance-wise, this grill does what most people actually want from a portable charcoal setup. It heats up fairly quickly, distributes heat more evenly than expected, and the adjustable airflow system gives you decent control over cooking temperatures. You're not getting competition-level smoking precision here, but for camping trips, picnics, and casual weekend grilling, it absolutely gets the job done. Steaks get a good sear, burgers cook evenly, and even vegetables pick up that classic smoky charcoal flavor that gas grills just can't fully replicate. Another thing worth mentioning is how practical it feels during cleanup. Portable grills can become annoying fast if they're difficult to empty or wipe down after cooking, especially outdoors. Thankfully, this one keeps things pretty straightforward. Since the interior is stainless steel, grease and ash don't stick as aggressively as they do on cheaper coated surfaces. It still takes some cleanup. Obviously, it's charcoal, but it's manageable and doesn't feel like a chore. Now, to keep things honest, this grill isn't perfect for everyone. If you regularly cook for large parties or want a huge smoking setup for long brisket sessions, this probably isn't the right choice. The compact size is part of the appeal, but it also means limited cooking space. You'll probably cook in batches for larger groups. Also, because it's lightweight and portable, it doesn't retain heat quite as aggressively as larger premium smokers. So in very windy or cold conditions, you may need to monitor temperatures a little more closely. Compared to similarly priced portable charcoal grills, though, the BBQCuker actually holds its own really well. Some competitors focus only on portability, but sacrifice temperature control or durability. Others look premium, but become difficult to transport. This one lands somewhere in the middle in a good way. You get portability, decent heat control, solid build quality, and enough versatility for grilling and light smoking without spending a fortune. That balance is what makes it appealing. At the end of the day, this is probably best for campers, casual grill enthusiasts, beach cookouts, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants authentic charcoal flavor in a compact and travel-friendly setup. It's easy to carry, simple to use, and practical enough that you'll actually want to bring it along instead of leaving it in storage. If that sounds like your kind of grill, check the link in the description because this one could sell out fast during camping and barbecue season. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews that focus on real-world use instead of marketing hype.